Configuring Credit.com personal loans is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what Credit.com is and how it works. Credit.com is an online financial platform that connects borrowers with lenders, providing a range of personal loan options. The first step in configuring a Credit.com personal loan is to check your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the interest rate and loan amount you are eligible for. You can check your credit score for free on the Credit.com website. Next, you need to determine how much you want to borrow and what you will use the loan for. Credit.com offers personal loans ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, with repayment terms of 24 to 84 months. It is crucial to borrow only what you need and to have a clear plan for repayment. Once you have determined your loan amount and purpose, you can begin the application process. This involves filling out a simple online form with your personal and financial information. You will need to provide your name, address, employment status, and income level, among other details. After submitting your application, Credit.com will connect you with a network of lenders who will review your creditworthiness and provide you with loan offers. You can then compare the different loan offers and choose the one that best suits your needs. When comparing loan offers, it is essential to consider the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Look for loans with low interest rates and minimal fees, and choose a repayment term that fits your budget. It is also crucial to read and understand the loan agreement before signing. Finally, once you have selected a loan offer, you can finalize the loan configuration process. This involves reviewing and signing the loan agreement, and providing any additional required documentation. The loan funds will then be deposited into your bank account, and you can begin making repayments according to the agreed upon terms. In conclusion, configuring a Credit.com personal loan is a simple and efficient process. By following these steps and considering your financial situation and needs, you can find a personal loan that works for you. Remember to always borrow responsibly and to make timely repayments to avoid damaging your credit score.